Hello students, welcome to your NEET Biology Masterclass. Today we are starting the very first chapter, the living world. This chapter looks simple, but many tricky questions come in NEET. So stay focused till the end and let's understand everything in a very easy way. What is living? Let me ask you a simple question. What is living? How do we decide whether something is alive or not? Living organisms show some basic characteristics: growth, reproduction, metabolism, and consciousness. Growth. First, let's talk about growth. Growth means increase in size or number of cells. In plants, growth continues throughout life, but in animals, growth stops after a certain age. Now, think carefully. Can non-living things grow? Yes, mountains can grow. Crystals can increase in size. So, growth alone cannot define life. Reproduction. Now let's understand reproduction. Reproduction means the ability to produce offspring. Most living organisms reproduce, but some organisms like mules cannot reproduce. Metabolism. Very important. Now comes a very important concept: metabolism. Metabolism includes all chemical reactions happening inside the body. These reactions are of two types: anabolism and catabolism. No non-living object shows metabolism. Consciousness. Most important. Now comes the most important point: consciousness. Consciousness means the ability to sense environment and respond to it. For example, when you touch a hot object, you immediately react. Diversity in living world. There are millions of living organisms on Earth, from tiny bacteria to huge animals. This variety is called biodiversity. To study this diversity, scientists classify organisms. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the science of classification of organisms. It includes identification, nomenclature, and classification. Mathematics is broader than taxonomy. It includes evolutionary relationships also. Nomenclature. Every organism has a scientific name. This system is called binomial nomenclature. For example, humans are called Homo sapiens. Important. Homo equals genus sapiens equals species. Rules. Scientific names are written in italics. Genus starts with capital letter. Species starts with small letter. Taxonomic hierarchy. Organisms are classified in a hierarchy. Species to genus to family to order to class to phylum to kingdom. Trick. King Philip came over for good soup. Example: human classification. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Mammalia. Order Primates. Family Hominidae. Genus Homo. Species Sapiens. Aids. Scientists use tools called taxonomical aids. Herbarium, collection of dried plant specimens. Museum, collection of preserved animals. Zoological park, living animals kept for study. Key, used for identification of organisms.